Ever dreamed of a seven-figure bank balance before 30? Joining the elite club of young millionaires might sound like a Hollywood storyline, but in this digital age, it's not just possible. It's happening more frequently than ever. Many young adults are setting their sights on that millionaire milestone before hitting the big 3-0. While some skeptics might dub it as overly ambitious, those armed with the right mindset, strategy, and actions are turning that dream into reality. Instead of viewing it as a lofty plot twist, see it as your achievable narrative. Ready for your roadmap to the Millionaires Club? Here are 8 crucial moves to guide you towards that dazzling financial goal. 1. Adopting a millionaire mindset. At the core of every self-made millionaire's success is not just a bulging bank account, but a powerful mindset that paved the way for their financial triumphs. This mindset is more than just daydreaming about luxury. It's a deeply rooted belief system that propels individuals to make strategic and effective decisions. First and foremost, this millionaire mindset acknowledges the significance of self-worth and potential. It's about recognizing one's own value and believing that, with the right efforts, amassing wealth is entirely feasible. This belief instills confidence to take calculated risks and make investments, whether it's in the stock market or in personal skill enhancement. Secondly, there's a profound understanding of frugality. It's not about denying oneself of all pleasures, but choosing to spend wisely, ensuring every dollar is used productively. This means prioritizing needs over wants and valuing long-term gains over short-term indulgences. Furthermore, this mindset acknowledges time as a more significant asset than money. While money can be earned back, time cannot. Thus, every moment is used effectively, be it for learning, networking, or building on new ideas. 2. Prioritize financial education. Many people who've made a lot of money on their own have something in common. They really took the time to learn about money. This doesn't mean you need to go to college for it. Instead, it's about finding out how money works and how to make it grow. Think of it like learning to ride a bike or cook. By reading books, listening to experts on podcasts, or taking online classes about money and investing, you start to get the hang of it. This knowledge helps you make smarter choices with your money. It's like having a map that shows you where the treasures are. 3. Start investing early and consistently. The world of money keeps changing with new trends and technologies. So by always learning, you stay ahead and can spot good chances to grow your wealth. In simple terms, knowing more about money helps you use it better and get richer in the process. Picture planting a tiny seed. Over time, with the right care, it can grow into a massive tree. Similarly, investing early is like planting that seed for your wealth. The sooner you start, the bigger and more robust your money tree can become, thanks to the wonder of compound interest. Compound interest is like a snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it's small, but as it rolls, it gathers more snow and grows bigger and faster. In the world of investing, even a modest amount put away in your early 20s can balloon into a significant sum by your 30s. But where to plant your seed? There's a garden of choices, from the exciting world of stocks, the stable grounds of bonds, the diverse terrain of mutual funds, to the tangible realm of real estate. Spend time learning about each and find where your interest lies. The golden rule: stay consistent. Think of it as watering your plant. Regularly set aside some of your earnings and you'll be amazed at how your investment garden flourishes over time. In the grand game of wealth building, being an early bird can make all the difference. 4. Build multiple income streams. Imagine a pond that's filled by just one stream. It might take ages to fill up, and if that stream dries up, the pond's in trouble. Now, picture multiple streams flowing into it, each contributing to fill it faster and offering backup if one slows down. In the world of finances, these streams represent your income sources, and the pond symbolizes your wealth. A regular 9-to-5 job is like that solo stream, steady but limiting. To make your wealth pond run quickly, it's wise to channel in more streams. Maybe there's a hobby you're passionate about that could turn into a profitable side business. Real estate, with its potential for passive income, could be another stream. Digital realms offer myriad opportunities, from selling ebooks to online courses. Freelance consulting can utilize your expertise to earn more on the side. Having multiple avenues doesn't just accelerate wealth accumulation, it acts as a safety net. If one stream faces a hiccup, The others ensure your pond continues to thrive. In the quest for millionaire status, diversifying your income sources is a strategy as old as time, yet more relevant than ever. 5. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Imagine you found a golden goose and instead of saving the golden eggs, you start eating them. Soon you'd be left with nothing. This is the trap of lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, so can your appetite for luxury. Suddenly, a larger apartment, a flashier car, or frequent dining out might seem justifiable. While it's only human to want to bask in the fruits of one's labor, going overboard can keep you running in a financial treadmill. It's not about denying pleasures, but drawing a line between desires and needs. Splurge occasionally. Absolutely. But it's crucial to ensure these indulgences don't drain what could be potential savings. As your paycheck grows, consider this an opportunity to bolster your investments, fortify your savings, and get closer to that millionaire dream. In essence, while lifestyle upgrades can feel satisfying in the short run, resisting excessive inflation ensures a richer future both figuratively and literally. Remember, the true sign of wealth isn't just in the display but in the depth of one's financial reservoir. 6. Network with like-minded individuals. Imagine you're on a boat, trying to row against a strong current. Alone, it's hard, but when you're joined by a crew, each pulling in the same direction, the journey becomes smoother and faster. This is the essence of networking with driven and like-minded individuals. Jim Rohn's wisdom highlights the profound influence our circle has on our trajectory. When surrounded by go-getters, their ambition, wisdom, and determination rub off. Their successes become lessons, their failures, warnings. Conversations overflow with financial tips, investment hacks, and business insights. More than just talk, these connections can metamorphose into tangible opportunities, be it a joint venture, an insider tip on an investment, or even guidance under the wing of a seasoned mentor. In the vast financial landscape, walking alone can be daunting. But by forging connections with those who share your vision and drive, not only do you gain companionship, you also multiply the resources and knowledge. 7. Minimize debt and liabilities. Think of debt as a heavy backpack you're lugging around during a marathon. Some of its contents might be useful, like water or energy bars. But imagine it's also filled with rocks, pointless weights slowing you down. Good debts, like mortgages or business loans, can be strategic. They serve as tools that, when used judiciously, can pave the way for wealth. A house may appreciate in value, and a business loan can give birth to a profitable venture. On the contrary, consumer debts, like credit card dues or personal loans, are those pesky rocks. They drain resources without offering any future gain. High interest rates can quickly spiral, eating into potential savings or investments. By targeting and eliminating these financial burdens, you free yourself, mentally and monetarily. A debt-free life means more than just spare change. It means having the flexibility and peace of mind to dive into investment opportunities without a looming shadow. In the journey of wealth creation, minimizing debt ensures you're sprinting with wind in your sails, not against it. 8. Reinvest your profits. Imagine a fertile garden. When you plant a single seed and nurture it, it grows into a robust plant bearing fruits. Instead of consuming all these fruits, if you choose to plant some of its seeds, you end up with even more plants and subsequently, a bountiful harvest. Every profit you make from an investment or a side hustle is like the fruit from that initial plant. The immediate and often enticing choice is to savor its sweet taste right away. However, the sagacious gardener knows the value of planting it back into the soil for a future, richer harvest. When you reinvest your profits, you're essentially expanding your financial garden. Each reinvested profit becomes a new seedling, destined to grow and produce its own fruits in due time. Over the years, this cycle transforms a small patch of land into a sprawling orchard. In the journey to millionaire status, the wisdom lies not just in enjoying the fruits of one's labor, but in recognizing the potential bounty that lies in every seed and making the choice to plant it back into the ground. Embracing the millionaire dream by 30 isn't a tale scripted only for Silicon Valley wizards or heirs to vast fortunes. It's a narrative that's equally attainable for the dedicated dreamer, the disciplined saver, and the strategic thinker among us. The path isn't paved with mere gold but with informed decisions, relentless pursuit, and unwavering belief. By harnessing the 8 pivotal moves, you're setting the compass for a prosperous destination. So, as you stand on the brink of this thrilling journey, remember that every legend starts with a simple decision to begin. It's time to lace up your boots, embrace the adventure, and let the inspiring tale of your success unfold. The world is ready to cheer for your triumphant story.